At the end of this lesson, you will learn how to order food in restaurants. You are not alone. Lots of English learners feel nervous while learning English. But in this lesson, you will learn step by step and natural. If you only watch, nothing changes. If you speak with me, everything changes. YouTube has auto-translate. Click the auto-translate button and read in your native language if you want. Hi my friend, welcome. Imagine this. You are traveling. You walk into a restaurant. You sit down, the waiters come to your table. And suddenly you are thinking, what should I say? Many English learners know many words, but in real life they do not know which sentences to use. Do not worry. In this video, you will learn simple and natural sentences people use in restaurants. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what to say when you order food. Let's start. First situation. You arrive at the restaurant. The waiter usually comes to you and asks a simple question. Hello, how many people? This means how many people in your group. Maybe you are alone. Maybe you are with a friend. If you are alone, you can say a table for one, please. Listen again. A table for one, please. Repeat with me. A table for one, please. If you are with a friend, you can say a table for two, please. Listen again. A table for two, please. Repeat with me. A table for two, please. This is very common sentences. Native speakers use it every day. Now you are sitting at the table and looking at the menu. Very often the waiter comes back and asks another question. Can I get you something to drink? This is very common in restaurants. You can answer with a simple sentences. For example, I will have water, please. Listen again. I will have water, please. Repeat with me. I will have water, please. Maybe you want coffee. You can say, can I get a coffee? Listen again. Can I get a coffee? Repeat with me. Can I get a coffee? Both sentences are natural and polite. Now you are ready to order food. This is the moment when many English learners feel nervous. But the sentences is actually very simple. One of the most common sentences is this. I would like the chicken, please. Listen again. I would like the chicken, please. Now repeat with me. I would like chicken, please. This sentence is polite and very natural. By the way, I want to ask a question. Did you like this lesson? My speed or anything? Please write a comment. Thank you. Let's continue. There is another sentence native speakers use all the time. I will have the pasta. Listen again. I will have the pasta. Repeat with me. I will have the pasta. You can change the food word. For example, I will have the soup. I will have the pizza. I will have the salad. Very simple and very natural. Now imagine something different. You are looking at the menu, but you are not sure what to order. This happens to everyone. Maybe everything looks good and you cannot decide. In this situation, you can ask a very useful question. What do you recommend? This means you are asking for suggestion. Native speakers use this question very often. Listen again. What do you recommend? Repeat with me. What do you recommend? Sometimes you like a dish, but you want to change something. For example, maybe you do not like onion, or maybe you do not want cheese. In this situation, you can say, "Can I have the salad without onion?" Listen again. Can I have the salad without onion? Now repeat with me. Can I have the salad without onion? You can change last word. For example, can I have the burger without cheese? Can I have the sandwich without tomatoes? Very simple, very practical English. Imagine you finish your food. Everything was delicious. Now you want to pay and leave the restaurant. In this situation, you need to ask for the bill. In many countries, people say, "Can I have the bill, please?" In the United States, people often say, "Can I get the check?" Both sentences means the same thing. Listen again. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Repeat with me. Can I have the bill, please? Now let's listen to short restaurant conversation so you can hear how these sentences work in real life. Waiter. Hello, are you ready to order? Customer. Yes, I would like the chicken, please. Waiter. Great choice. Anything to drink? Customer. I will have water, please. Waiter. Perfect. I will bring right away. You see? The conversation is actually very simple. Now it's your turn to practice. Imagine you are in a restaurant right now. What would you order? Would you order coffee, pizza, salad, or pasta? Write your answer in the comments. I read every comment and I love seeing your answers. And remember something important. Speaking English is not about difficult words. It is about using simple sentences again and again until they feel natural. Practice these sentences and soon you will feel comfortable speaking. Comfortable speaking English in a restaurant. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, my friend.